All right, guys, so now we're here. We're going to learn how to throw a rear body shot. So if I'm a righty, it's my right body shot. If I'm a lefty, it's my left body shot. So whatever arm is in the back, the rear body shot, that's our number 4 in the punch system. So we're going to do everything the same that we did with the cross. So if Henry was going to throw a cross at me, notice the angle of his body. We're turning the foot, the hip is forward, he's rotating, this shoulder is forward, right? So we're going to do it on that forward motion of the rhythm, and he comes forward with the cross. Everything is the same. The only difference is the angle of the punch. Now he's going to go to a body shot. But look at his body. The foot is turned, the hip is here, the shoulder's here. The only thing that changes is the angle of the punch. So to throw a good rear body shot, the very simple cue is to think of making the letter C with your hand. So my start here, my rhythm, remember that we always punch on the forward motion. So I'm going to, in my rhythm, I come back and I make the letter C with my hand. Back, rhythm, back, pop, make the letter C. So in that rhythm, he's going to make that letter C and come underneath because we're going to the body. So on the heavy bag, when you hit it on the bag, hit it and just hold your hand there for a second, Henry. Notice the way his hand is. He's not turned like this. We're here. Thumb is up. You're coming on an upward angle. It kind of looks like a hook, but we're still coming up with that punch. If this bag wasn't here, Henry's hand would have came up here, okay? So it looks like this when you hit the bag. That's how you throw a rear body shot.